Hummingbirds are the smallest of birds, and their feathers are prized as having an almost magical quality. These tiny birds feed by sight, using regularly followed routes called traplining. Inquisitive by nature, hummingbirds will investigate any new possibility of food source. With little sense of smell, hummingbirds are attracted to tubular, brightly colored flowers holding the most nectar. Scent is not prerequisite, rather high nectar and vibrant color are desirable characteristics. When gathering nectar, the hummingbird is replenishing the plant, allowing it to further flower and reproduce. Plant your garden, keeping in mind the need for blooming flowers spring through fall to ensure maximum hummingbird exposure. Hummingbird favorites include verbascum, which blooms from late spring until frost, daylilies, which bloom from mid to late summer. Major wheeler honeysuckle blooms in the summer. Cardinal flower with its striking red color blooms midsummer to late fall. Deep blue scabiose providing a beautiful cobalt blue blooms from midsummer to fall. Hollyhocks, columbines and foxgloves are additional favorites. Annuals such as petunias will bloom all summer, providing additional color and nectar. Following feeding, hummingbirds need to perch 80% of the time in order to conserve energy. Providing perches close to the garden area allows the hummingbird perch time, as well as access to the nectar and further garden enjoyment. If feeders are provided, place them in protected areas out of wind and rain. Avoid using pesticides around hummingbird feeders, since the insects provide protein for the tiny birds. Providing a hummingbird-friendly garden not only brings delight to your garden, but it provides a habitat for the hummingbird, which is being threatened by habitat loss due to urban and tropical development, storms, and logging. These tiny birds are so small, even minor development impacts their habitat. While pesticides and insecticides eliminate their source of protein, the concentration of chemicals can poison these small hummingbirds. Placing perches and feeders close to windows causes collisions which can kill the tiny birds or cause the birds serious damage, and if not cleaned properly or regularly, feeders can carry mold causing death. Hummingbirds are also susceptible to attacks from cats and bees and wasps attracted to dripping nectar. By minimizing pesticides, choosing non-invasive plants for your gardens, placing perches away from windows, and providing flowers high in nectar content, which provide flowers throughout the growing season, you not only protect the hummingbird, but you provide a wonderful vision of color and vibrancy in your garden.